Within your building, some of the real critical parts of your building are the exits. Obviously they allow us to get in and out, and in an emergency situation they are vital, so we want them clearly lit up. If there's an illuminated sign or we've got normal signage, we need them clear from any rubbish as well, so we don't want things blocking them, pallets, chairs. There could be issues with the physical door locking mechanisms. There could be faults with the hinges or frames and things like that, so it's really important your housekeeping, keeping all the exit ways clear and all functional. So we're checking those regularly, reporting any faults that we see and getting them remedied quick as we can. In the event that there is an exit that is unusable, it may be, depending on the size of your business, you might have to make an alternative arrangement to have another area so you can exit in emergencies if it needs to be blocked. So check it out, keep them clear, and realize that things can change. Just because you checked that lock a week ago, is it going to work today? So always having a look, make sure that things haven't been padlocked and you haven't got the key. Maybe somebody's gone off site and then we now have made that exit unusable. So ultimately, keep it safe, keep things clear, keep it tidy, make sure you can get outside. If you like this content, really good idea, check out our website and have a look at our online courses we have available. There's a large variety, and also check out what we have in a face-to-face format, and we can tailor make those to suit you as well. So check it out, trainingforsafety.co.nz.